Hello friends, very warm welcome to the Vignan Mahavidyalaya as a student of BSc Part 1 Biology branch. I firstly welcome you to take admission in the biology section. Now, as far as the course of this BSc is concerned, there are certain fundamental differences between your previous education and now the education that you are supposed to face up. Now the very first difference is that the biology subject has been splitted separately into botany and zoology, and secondly now there is the semester pattern, and thirdly there is the differentiation of theory and practical. Now all these things we will see one by one. First of all, I would like to introduce to the Department of Zoology. I myself Professor Rathi, head of the department. Besides, along with me, there is the Professor C.M. Harambe, and the department is also having some contractual teachers to teach as per our requirement. Now similarly there is one attendant also that at this time is not present technically. Now going to see the zoology part 1 course. In this course you will be having zoology as a separate subject, as I told you previously. Now this zoology subject, it is consisting in 3 components. Firstly, there will be a theory that will contain 6 units. Then there is the internal assessment. This theory will be for 80 marks. Internal assessment will be for 20 marks. And the third component is that of the practical. This practical, it will be having a university exam for 50 marks. Now, this theory, it is consisting of 6 units. In the first semester, you are going to learn the life and diversity of invertebrates. So, what are invertebrates? The different types of invertebrates and their economic significance. All these things you will be learned in this semester 1. As far as the practical is concerned, there is the complete study of invertebrate museum, and this museum is having with us. So you people are supposed to study the preserved animals which we are having. Now this theory, it will be assessed for 80 marks. Out of these 80 marks, each and every unit, that will be for 12 marks, and plus 8 marks will be for a first question, which is a general question based on whole of the syllabus. Now regarding the internal assessment, being the first year, you are having only 2 activities with this internal assessment. The first, there will be a class test that will be usually for 30 marks, and along with this class test, there are assignments, submission of assignments. Your teachers will give you certain topics that have been taught in the classes, and based on that topic you have to submit that assignments. Now number of assignments will vary as per the teacher thought to be fit. These 8 marks being the general question, first question, it will having the questions that are based on whole of the syllabus. That means all of the 6 units of your course. Now then each and every unit, it will be having question for 12 marks, and there will be internal choice. That means you will be having 2 questions. Out of these 2 questions, you have to solve any one of these. Now, as far as the questions are concerned, there is a certain proportion of long answer questions as well as the short answer questions, and this proportion it is in the ratio of 60 to 40, 60% short answer and 40% long answer question. In this way, you people will be having 4 questions of short notes like, and the 2 remaining questions will be for full 12 marks. So this is regarding the first semester in which you are going to study the invertebrates, and as a outcome you will be able to identify the different types of invertebrates, their basic classification, and regarding the knowledge of their practical morphology. In this way, this course will be completed within a stipulated time. Now, moving towards the semester 2, you people will be automatically admitted to the second semester. Regarding this semester, you are going to study the cytology and embryology. Now, again, it will be for 80 marks. This cytology part, it will be having the 4 units, and the embryology part, it will be having the remaining 2 units. Now again the scheme will be same. You will be having the one theory paper for 80 marks, plus there will be the 20 marks for internal assessment. In regarding the internal assessment, the same activity will be there, assignment plus the test, and practical. This practical will be based on the theory portion of this semester. So you people will be going to study certain practicals regarding the cytology and certain other practicals of the embryology. Again there will be the university exam, and this university exam will be conducted for 80 marks paper, plus there will be the addition of the 20 marks of internal. So in this way you are having the opportunity to pass the internal as well as the theory subject, but you are have to pass separately the practical exams. So this is all about the brief introduction of your BSc Part 1 course. Thank you.
Excursion.
हो गया सर, बंद करो, स्टॉप करो.